All right, question number 27. Let's get right into it. So we have a rectangle is altered by increasing its length by 10% and decreasing its width by p%. If these alterations decrease the area of the rectangle by 12%, what is the value of p? All right, guys, so before we altered the rectangle, the area was just equal to length times width. Now it says we decrease the area by 12%. So that means that we take our initial area, right, and then we subtract off the area times 12%, 0.12. And that means that our area is going to be 0.88a. So it means that 0.88a, that has to be equal to, let's see, and the length was increased by 10%, so it's going to be 1.1 times our length. And then we need to multiply that by the width, and it says that the width was decreased by p%. So we're going to have w minus w times p. And this is going to be the same thing as saying, let me go ahead and rewrite it out here. If we factor out a w, you'll see that this is w and then times 1 minus p. Okay, so now what I can do is I can substitute in this value for a, which is equal to L times w, and just plug it in over here for a. So I'm going to have 0.88 equals L times w equals 1.1 L times w, and then 1 minus p. Okay. So if I divide both sides by L times W, these are going to cancel out. And hang on, sorry, this shouldn't be an equal sign. This should just be a multiplication here. So it'll be 0.88. So these are going to cancel and these are going to cancel, and I'm left with 0.88 equals 1.1 multiplied by 1 minus p. So when I multiply this out here, I'm going to get 0.88 equals 1.1 minus 1.1p. So now what I can do is I can just subtract 1.1 from both sides and use my calculator. So 0.88 minus 1.1, it's going to be negative 0.22, negative 0.22. That's going to be equal to negative 1.1p. Now if I divide both sides by negative 1.1, I'm going to have that p equals, and let's go ahead and write that down. So negative 0.22 divided by negative 1.1, and we are going to get 0.2. Now remember, this, we want it as a percentage, right? So as a percentage, we're going to need to take this value, so p equals 0.2, and we're just going to need to multiply it by 100%. Because to get from a decimal to a percentage, you just multiply by 100%. So 0.2 times 100 is going to give us 20. So let's bring it up here. P has to equal 20. And that is going to be answer choice C. All right, guys, that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.